Looking for a great hosting solution? Check our website for prices. First, what you need to do is to update the server packages. You can do this by the following command. Install dependencies that require to run the Electrum on your Ubuntu system with the following command. Create a virtual environment with the next command. Install Electrum by running the following commands. Once installation is completed, you can find the Electrum into your environment by using the search bar or by icon. Now you can start work with it. That's it. If you have any question, please leave them in comments.